Looking to get even more out of your MySTEM Kids subscription? We highly suggest that you look into getting an additional purchase of some professional development training for your teachers. These comprehensive trainings provide anywhere from 3-day to 2-week trainings for your teachers to really dive into specific subjects. And these are offered by the Florida Center for Research in STEM, which is our curriculum developers here at mystemkids.com. These professional development trainings give your teachers a chance to really dive deep into the subjects they have to cover. So from things like content knowledge, where the teachers can become more confident in the subjects they're teaching, to even walking through specific MySTEM Kids lessons where they get a chance to be the students and go through the activities so that then when they bring these to their classroom, they've gone through it, they understand it, and they're confident in the knowledge and the science and math going on behind it. And this will really increase your teacher's ability to teach confidently and to take on this new technology with ease and simplicity and the confidence to know what it can do and what it can mean for their classroom. For more information, check out down below where we have a complete list of the professional development opportunities offered and information on pricing. So check that out, and we hope you look into getting these professional development opportunities for your school today.